Welcome back to Triple X Learnings. Today we have this interesting question, that is we have to get the square root of 49 plus 20 root 6. How we can get this? So before going to calculate, I will consider one thing, that is here we have 49 plus 20 root under 6. So root under of these two terms is considered as root under x plus root under y, and we have to get x that is free from root, we have to get y that is free from this root. So this would be our solution. So how we can solve further? By squaring on both sides. So if I am squaring on both sides, I will have 49 plus that is 20 root 6, and here we have x plus y plus 2 root under x into y, and then we can compare these two things. Here we have x plus y and here we have 49. So these things we will consider together, and then we have 20 root 6, and this 20 root 6 is going to compare with 2 root under x into y. So this is going to be compared, and after comparing we can write x plus y that is equal to 49, and we have another one, that is root under 2 into root under x into y, that is considered as 20 root under 6. This can be achieved by cancelling. This one I'm going to cancel. So we have x into y that is under root, and that is here 10 root under 6. So squaring on both sides, we have x into y, that is here 100 into 6. So it is coming x into y, that is 600 we have. So this is our this is our second equation. Where is our first equation? First equation is here. We have to get the value for x. So x is coming here 49 minus y, this one. This is our first equation. So I'm going to use first equation in second equation in this way. Here we have x into y, that is 600. So I'm just going to put the value for x here. So it is 49 minus y into y, that is 600. Now this is a quadratic equation. So here 49y minus y square and minus 600 equal to 0. This can be write as y square and minus 49, we have minus 49 y and plus 600 equal to 0. Now what I can do here, I have value for y, it is a quadratic equation. So this is a y square plus by plus c equal to 0. So I'm just going to put here minus b. So here minus b 49, that is coefficient of y, plus minus we have root under, that is 49 square minus 4a into c, that is here 600, divided by we have 2 into a, so 1 is here, 2 into 1. Now we have y equal to 49 plus minus, and here we have 2400, 1 minus 2400 by simplifying this one, and we have this value is going to divide by 2. So we are getting here y equal to, we have 49 and plus minus root under 1, that is 1, and divided by 2. So here we are getting 49 plus 1 divided by 2, and 49 minus 1 divided by 2. So obviously 50 by 2 is 25 is coming. So we can write here, we have y equal to, we have this y is equal to 25, and this value is 48 by 2, that is 24. So we have 24. So in this way we can get the value for x by equation 1. This is our equation 1. So 49 minus y 25. So this is giving us here 24, and here we are getting, x is equal to 49 minus 24, and that is, here we have 25. So obviously we are getting, okay, x is equal to 24 either or 25, and y is equal to this value we are getting. So we will put this result as here in this way. Here root under x, if I am considering 24, and for corresponding 24 we have value 25 here. So here 25, and it is giving us here, okay, 4 into 6. So 4 will come outside, 2 root 6, 2 root 6 plus 5, and here we have plus minus, so both will have plus minus. I'm putting here plus minus and then bracket. So obviously we have solution here, plus minus, okay, 2 root 6 plus 5 either, or we have this value 5 plus 2 root 6, any one value we can have this. So this is the solution of this one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.